Here's Jimmy looking for the rope. He's found it. He's found it. He thinks he's ready. He says he's ready. His legs are spread.
Let me get the boat straight.
Let me get the boat straight. Ripped him down. Nope, he's under. No.
What the hell was this?
Well, he's breathing. Alright, Jim. Having a little trouble. Well, yeah, let's get him out there, boys. It don't look so bad.
Where's his other ski?
Oh, he's lost the other ski. No, it's fine. It's up in between his legs. Hang on.
I'm just keeping it straight, bud.
Hang on, he says. He seems to be having trouble.
Just grab the rope. Stuck the handle, grab the rope.
You can't swim with Jimmy.
Now, I'll pull the rope through your hands, and it'll pull you upright in the water. Let the boat pull you straight. Oh shit, you're all tangled up in there.
I think we better get him back in the boat. He's wearing himself He's wearing himself out. Well, let's cut there. I think he's ready. He thinks he's ready. No. Still trying to swim with him.
Yeah.
Well, Jill?
This is killing me. I'm not gonna roll.
I think he needs another. First, another take. He thinks he's straight.
Ready?
There we go. Rip it loose, Mark. No. The America Cup is going to try it again. He's going to try it. It's not only one slalom, it's two he's trying to climb on. Could be tricky. Says he hasn't had any trouble before. Well, I think he's just enjoying the water. That's what I think. Yeah. Where's the other ski at? I think we've lost it.
Oh, a little music to help.
Got a hold of one.
Just a minute here, let me...
Action.
Ready?
Shot number 3.